A blender was turned on in the house, and it took me, it caused like a brain hypoxia kind of experience, or cerebral hypoxia, where it was all the symptoms of a stroke. Like it felt like a heart attack sort of thing during it, and then afterwards the whole right side of my body was like inaccessible and I couldn't speak and stuff. It's still like a little hard to use, and like even when I use it, my consciousness isn't present with it. I can't feel that part of the body while I'm using it. It's very robotic, survival disconnected. And it took me 10 minutes to be able to stand up afterwards. 10 minutes to recover from the sound of a blender. And even now, I'm not recovered. That was just to be able to walk. It's going to take me a while still to get back to where I was. This is all part of the exploration of oxygen deprivation as part of DID. Because if my brain's deprived of oxygen, then sounds are going to be more startling. And if I get triggered by just a sound, then my brain is going into a state of trauma to combat that, which worsens the oxygen deprivation. So I think once I have oxygen, my sound sensitivity will decrease. And that'll be like a theory to explore, like specifically gauging sound sensitivity and vibration sensitivity in relation to my progress with oxygen treatment. It's hard to even move my mouth right now. You can probably tell I'm not quite as expressive as usual. So, it's something real, it's something valid, it's something in my frickin' body. It is not in my head. And I will fucking prove this if it's the last thing I do. So, it's my vow to you, protectors. We're in this together. Yeah, I don't recognize the right half of my face. I don't feel like I can move it by choice. Left half of my face feels a little bit numb. That woke it up a tad, I guess. Yeah, this is all numb. And this, I just can't feel it. Or like I can. Wait. The left side of my face is numb. And the right is not as numb. But, oh, maybe just because I can't consciously feel it. Okay, it's probably numb. I'm just not receiving that signal that this is a numb sensation. But this side is numb. I recognize this part at least. It's where I am now in my head, in my neurobiology. And this is just like trailing along.